Hey guys, Lindsay here. Welcome back to my channel. So for this week's Throwback Thursday video, I thought we would do the Juvia's Place Tribe palette. The main reason is because I have literally only used this palette once, and that was the one time I used it on camera, and it is such a beautiful palette, and it was my first Juvia's Place purchase, so I really wanted to use it again. I kind of want to use the oranges. We'll see. But I really loved the color story of this palette, and I definitely want to get more use out of it, which is the purpose of these Throwback Thursday videos. So we're gonna go ahead and use this palette for this video. So let's get zoomed in and we'll get started. Okay, so I think I have an idea of what I want to do. I want to start out with the bright lime green shade, Masai. I'm sure I'm gonna mispronounce all of these shadows, so sorry in advance. I'm gonna pop this on the inner portion of Actually, I'm just gonna do the whole inner portion of the lid. I say inner, just this little tiny inner part. Pop it on the inner corner, pop it in the crease, and pop it on the lid and right underneath as well. Probably could have picked a better brush for this. I thought I was just doing the crease at first, but I changed my mind last minute. Okay, next I'm gonna go into the orange shade, which is Oromo, that shade right there. And that I'm just gonna put through the crease on the rest of the eye area. Just very lightly tap them together right there. Okay, I'm happy with that. Then I'm going to take this kind of muddy brown Ashanti color, and I'm gonna use a little detailed brush, and I'm just gonna use this to deepen up right in the crease. I am gonna cut the crease. So I want a little bit of depth right here where I'm gonna cut it. I think I'm gonna do just kind of like a little center cutout is what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna pop that there. And maybe pop a little bit right here on the outer corner, and I think I'll mix a little bit of orange over the top of it. Okay, so now that that's down, I'll dip back into the orange matte shade and just kind of lightly brush over this outer portion a little. Dip a little bit back into that original lime green shade. Just kind of blend over the top of the orange a little. Okay. So I'm just gonna take the tiniest little bit of concealer, and really I'm mostly just cutting out the center is what I'm doing at this point. And then tap it out on both sides. All right, so right over top of that concealer, I'm going to place the orange shade Curla, not sure. I'm just gonna use my finger, pop it on. Go almost all the way to the edge, and then for the very, very outer part, I'm gonna dip into Chaga, this kind of bronzy, well, I say it's bronzy. Pop that just right on the outer part. Kind of overlap it a little bit with the orange. There we go. And then I'm gonna pop into the lime green just with my finger and kind of just pat where the colors meet so that it blends over, like it kind of melts into it. There we go. Very fun. All right, so let's finish with the lower lash line. I already have that beautiful lime green shade down there, so I really just want to finish off the outer portion with the orange, maybe a little bit of the dark brown, like right against the lash line. So I think I'm gonna use this brush right here. It's kind of flat, but a little fluffy. And I'm gonna use the matte orange Oromo and just kind of buff that under the lash line. And I'm basically kind of just connecting it to the upper lash line area. All right, and like I mentioned, I want to do a little bit of depth right at the lash line with that brown shade, Ashanti, right there. So I'm gonna grab a liner brush and I'm just gonna kind of tap this right along the lash line. And I'm gonna stop where the lime green starts. That way that inner part just stays nice and bright. Okay, so for one last little touch, I'm going to take Coral, the like whitish, greenish shifting color. I'm gonna pop that over the inner corner part. Also gonna do my little drag it up and drag it under. Okay, so that's it for shadow. Let's finish up with something in the waterline. I'm gonna use Puppy from ColourPop. Nice little fun orange liner. I really don't want to do liquid liner. So I think I'm just gonna add mascara and lashes. I've been testing out this Pretty Vulgar mascara. Not really a fan of it so far, but I'm gonna give it one more try. And then for lashes, I think I might go with House of Lashes Iconic Lights. I think so. Let me go off camera and try them and we'll see. I'll come back and let you know what I did. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I did end up using the Iconic Lights like I thought I was going to, and I did not do any liquid liner. I literally just did the tiniest little line right on this inner portion right here where the lash band ends so that it kind of flows a little bit better. And then for lips, obviously went a bit dark and vampy. I used Top Shelf from Jeffree Star. It's from the Nudes Volume 2 bundle. So I don't think it's sold individually, but I love this color. It's so pretty. I just like a really dark lip with a kind of fun bright eye like this. I just think it pairs really nicely together. So definitely happy with the way this look turned out. I just am loving this palette the more that I use it. I did buy another Juvia's Place palette, so I need to do something with that one as well. And I definitely want to keep using this one more too because it's just some really beautiful shades. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.